Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Dylan and today I'm gonna play a game called Country Flags in the Wild. You see a picture of the wild and you need to know which country that is. And if you can hear, I finally fixed my microphone. Now you all can hear me, and not that some parts are gone. But yeah, enjoy the video. And yeah, to be honest, it's very beautiful. Creative, yes. It's just, to be honest, it's just very beautiful. Wow, these are all beautiful. Nature is just so beautiful. Sometimes you really have some good places where they have very good nature. Yeah, if you see very good nature, I think you're gonna make a picture, because I think you wanna see it when you really wanna see it. Yeah. You're gonna go somewhere, you see a very good place with very beautiful nature, you're gonna take a picture, and when you're home you can always see it because you took a picture. Yep. But yeah, I'm done, and I know that the video was not long. It was like 5 minutes or something, I'm not sure. But yeah, I hope you still enjoyed it. If you haven't saw my other videos, click on my channel and then you can see all of my other videos. And if you want, go watch them. Click up the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, so click on the bell if you don't know what I meant. And yeah, have a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.